This is very hard.
Is it hard? I mean, I done had hard before, Mom. Let me see that. Let me show you. See, I got teeth. Look at them teeth. Yeah, I can do that. I can eat that. Okay, yeah, look, give it to me. Wait, okay, hold on. Keep it right there. Okay, I got it. Okay, cool. Okay, let me get myself together. Build my strength. Okay, here we go. Let me get it. Okay, now, okay, this is hard, Mama. I mean, I got to use my molars with this. Ooh. Mama, why would you buy me this? This ain't for people to eat. You got me out here about to break my jaw. I mean, this thing ain't even edible. Look at it. It's hard. I'm frustrated because I was hungry. I was really looking forward to that.